You know, it just feels like I was born to be outdoors. Ever since I was a kid, I've just always found myself in the wilderness. I spent more time with Mother Nature more than my own mother. I guess that's why I earned the name Squatch. Another passion of mine is cooking over fire. Nothing compares to hiking into an epic spot, getting a fire going, searing a juicy, fat, thick steak, and just sitting back and enjoying the view. A couple years ago, I started documenting my adventures on Instagram, and I guess that's how I became kind of like Insta famous. Because of that success, I've been able to work with some of the coolest companies out there, including Spiceology. I've always wanted to develop my own rub line, so when the opportunity came up, I jumped on it. After months of research and development and a lot of taste testing, I'm ready to get out there and launch my first 3 rubs to the world. Let's check them out. First, we have meat dirt. What a perfect blend of espresso, chilies, spices, a touch of activated charcoal, and brown sugar. This is the ultimate beef blend and is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Next is meat moss. This is my personal favorite. This herbaceous, all-purpose blend will send your mouth into a shock. Trust me, it tastes even better than it looks. Finally, we have meat fire. This citrus chili blend is warm and bright, not too spicy, just pure perfection. Each blend is pretty dang versatile. Use them on beef, pork, chicken, fish, veggies, and eggs. They're also great on the smoker, over fire, and even in the oven. I've put everything into creating these blends, and I know you, your friends, and your family are gonna love them. Here's where it gets even better. This is so much more than launching my own rub line. With your help, let's take Sasquatch BBQ to a whole new level. Proceeds from this Kickstarter will help good old Squatch do what he does best, and I'm excited to take you all along with me.